The 2027 Nissan Kicks Rock Creek is here to make Nissan's smallest crossover look a lot tougher. This isn't a completely new Kicks, but Nissan has transformed the formula with a more rugged exterior, standard all-wheel drive, and equipment designed for drivers who want to go beyond the pavement. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the Rock Creek gets a much more aggressive appearance. Up front is a redesigned grille, surrounded by darker styling elements and amber-colored daytime running lights that give the Kicks a distinctive look. The crossover also rides on exclusive 17-inch wheels, while black exterior accents add to the rugged character. But one of the most useful additions is on the roof. The Rock Creek comes with a factory roof rack capable of carrying up to 165 pounds, giving owners extra space for bikes, camping gear, luggage, and other outdoor equipment. Ground clearance remains at 8.4 inches, so this isn't a hardcore off-road SUV. But Nissan has added features to make rough terrain easier to handle. Performance. Under the hood, the Kicks continues with its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 139 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through a CVT, while the biggest upgrade is standard all-wheel drive. The Rock Creek also gets an off-road drive mode and hill descent control, giving the crossover better control on loose surfaces and steep downhill sections. So the goal isn't extreme off-roading. It's giving a small crossover more confidence on gravel roads, dirt trails, snow, and weekend adventures. Interior. Inside, Nissan gives the Rock Creek its own personality with unique styling details and a more adventure-focused atmosphere. The cabin remains practical and compact, while the added equipment makes it better suited for outdoor lifestyles. You get the everyday usability of a small crossover, but with the ability to carry more gear and handle less than perfect roads. Price and verdict. The 2027 Nissan Kicks Rock Creek starts at $30,385, making it the most expensive Kicks in the lineup. Nissan expects it to arrive at US dealerships in summer 2027. And that's what makes the Rock Creek interesting. It doesn't try to become a hardcore off-roader. Instead, Nissan is taking the Kicks, adding AWD, rugged styling, useful equipment, and light off-road technology, and turning it into a small crossover built for drivers who want their daily vehicle to feel ready for an adventure. The 2027 Kicks Rock Creek may not be extreme, but it could be the most exciting Kicks yet.